Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Diva Messi in case you don't already know, and if this is your first time stopping by in this channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so today guys, we're going to be doing a little something. All right, today we're going to be doing like a makeup, hair, dress look. I want to do my nails, but I still have like hair tutorials to do, and so I'm just gonna skip nails. So we're just gonna be doing hair, makeup, and clothes. I won't be talking throughout. I'm gonna do a voiceover. Why? Because if I talk, we're just gonna sleep here. Like, I really want this to be quick, easy, just us getting together and just glamming up together, right? So that's what I want. And thank you so much for 1K guys. Like, what? 1K, like we're really at 1K. Like, I started January at 500 49 something, so 500 basically, and it's just March and we're in 1000, and I'm beyond words. I don't even know how to say thank you, but thank you so much for sticking by me, and thank you so much for watching this video right now. So we're gonna get into the tutorial so as not to waste any more time. So I'm just gonna start on my makeup, and then we're gonna go into the hair and the dress. Like guys, this dress is literally to die for. I am so serious because this is the dress that actually inspired me to do the whole glam up thing. Like, when I got it, I just told myself I want more of these dresses in my closet. Like, it fits like a glove. It's stretchy, it's amazing. You're going to see it, all right? You're going to see it. Okay, all right. Let's get into the video. Love you. Mwah. So alright lovelies, the first thing I'm going to be doing is playing my music while filming, alright, while doing my makeup to get me in that mood. So I'm just going to go in with my foundation. Alright, so I've already prepped already. I didn't want to prep on camera because I was looking at the time. I didn't want this video to end up long. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead to place that foundation on my skin first before going in to blend with a brush and then a beauty blender. This is how I like to achieve I find out that it gives me a more flawless finish than just going in little by little. By plastering it down, you allow the foundation dry a little bit, and then it gives a bit more coverage. That's how I do mine. So I just went in with a bit of fixing spray just to give that bit of hydration, and then blend in my beauty blender. And then I'm just going to go in with our OG concealer. I mean guys, like, is this not the first concealer you started with? Let me know in the comment section what concealer you started with first. But for me, it was LA Girl. Like, and it still does the job though. That's what I think. I have other concealers, I've used others, but LA Girl does it for me. I don't know. Just let me know what you use down below. I'd like to try out some. Let me know the very good ones you use. Alright, so I'm just going to go in and analyze all the parts I need a lighting on. Then I'm going to go in with my Northern Beauty concealer in the shade 049. Alright, this concealer, I like it because it just gives me that warmth. It just adds that warmth to my face. I really do not like very harsh contour anymore. I just like the very subtle kind. Alright, so this does it for me. It's not dark or anything. It just gives that warmth to my face. I don't know if you can see the difference on both sides. It's just very subtle and very nice. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that on the other side very quickly. All right guys, I'm trying to be fast so we just get on. And all right, so if you like seeing this content, let me know. All right, I don't know, I'm really like, this is my first get ready with me in a way. Not first, but like, yeah, officially. So let me know if I didn't do anything well, or if I did something well. I don't know, just let me know what you think in the comment section. All right, so I'm just going ahead to blend out that concealer. The reason why I did not blend it out at first, I give it time to dry. All right, so leave your concealer to dry a bit. That's the secret for like a fuller coverage. Let it dry legitly. Let it just give it time to dry already, and you're gonna see that the coverage is gonna be mad. Like, it's going to be mad. And do not drag your foundation, do not drag your concealer. I think this is everything that everyone knows right now. Like, don't drag, just tap lightly. All right, just tap lightly and it does the magic. So I'm just going to go ahead to set with my setting powder. I'm using the Beauty by AD setting powder in beige. Like, this is my OG setting powder. I've finished like how many empties? Like, I have like 3 empties already, and I really love this setting powder. Actually, I'm going to try other ones, but I really love this one. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead to set down the under of my eyes and set out the rest parts which I highlighted. All right, so guys, what you're seeing here is my bronzer, my CoverGirl bronzer. I broke, so I just put it in one of my empties, right? My empty setting powder cup. I just put it in, and that's how I've been using it since. So yeah, so I'm just giving that, adding warmth to my face, because that's what the bronzer does. All right, so it just gives me that very subtle glow, if you can see what I mean. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just give my face that lift with my setting powder under. I really love doing this. Actually, it gives that, like, it snatches your face upwards. Like, it's like your face is like lifted with tape. I know tape has its way of lifting it up more, but like, it gives that effect, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to go ahead now and get into eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my P. Louise base, and then I'm just going to go ahead to blend that down. All right, that brush wasn't doing it for me, that's why I changed this to this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that palette I just showed you. All right, so the palette is, like, if you can see that brown, it's already finished, because I really love it for using it as my transition shade. Like, it just works for me. All right, so I'm just going to go in with that brown and then blend it out with a lighter brown or a lighter nudish color. All right, then I'm just going to go in with a second shade on my lid. All right, I really don't know how to explain it. Like, it's obvious what I'm doing. Basically, I'm just trying to create that very gradient eyeshadow look. All right, so I'm going in with a much lighter nude in the front of my lid. Is there a word for this part? Just my lid. So I'm just going to go in with black to just add a more defined look to it, but I'm going to blend it out really well, so like it's not harsh or anything. All right, so this is just like a very easy nudish, like, it's very, like, in 5 minutes you can get this eyeshadow done. Actually, like, that's how simple it is. And I'm actually started liking matte eyeshadow compared to shimmer eyeshadow. I don't know, it's just, there's just something matte does for me. I'm just going to go ahead with my normal powder, and then I'm just going to, or rather my pressed powder, and then I'm just going to go ahead all over my highlighted place where I set, and then I'm just going to dust it off. And yeah, that's basically it. So right now I'm trying to contour my nose. I really do like a very subtle nose contour. I normally just use powder, I don't use concealer, and I just have a very subtle look actually. So yeah, this is it for the final look, guys. This is how it's looking like. I just went in with just lip gloss. That's how I was feeling, and yeah, this is the end product of the makeup. I don't know how I feel about it. It looks a bit darker than my skin tone now. I think I got lighter. Obviously I got lighter with my clarity peel and all that, with my chemical peel, clarity peel. So, but it's hitting, but it's not hitting. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I don't know, is it hitting for you or it's not hitting? All right, so now we're going to go into the hair. All right, so I'm going to be showing you, the hair looks a mess, so I'm going to kind of do my magic and then put on the hair and then put on my dress and then come back. All right, so lovely for the hair. Like, this hair has tried for me. this hair is just like a year and some months old. It's almost up to 2 years. Like it's just like maybe 8 months, a year and 8 months, right? So it's a water curl wig. So all I have to put is put water and conditioner in, and then it comes back to its normal texture when I want to wear it. So I'm just gonna go ahead to comb that out, put the water in the spray bottle, the water and the conditioner, spray it, comb it out, and voila. Like, see the difference between both sides, guys. Like, that's basically it for this hair. I didn't really do much. The only thing I do is that once in a year or once in 2 years, I go back in and resew all my wig, right, to just give it that firmness, because over the years it's going to slack or something like that. And yeah, that's what I just did with this wig. So after making the wig, I'm just going to have it like some leftover, and then I'm going to use that and ventilate it to the frontal, because obviously it's going to thread. So that's all I do. So lovely, this is what we came up with. All right, I just felt like climbing up and I feel pretty excited about it. All right, like, can you see the vibe this gown is giving? Like, I'm going to put the full clip after this, or I don't know if I'm going to get the full clips or just take pictures, but I tried doing a TikTok, so if that works out too, I'm going to put it in. I didn't know what accessories to wear. I don't really have rings. I wanted rings. I didn't wear earrings because the hair is like covering that up. I just have a necklace, and I think for this gown, less is more, if you ask me. All right, let me know how you would have styled it. Let me know what you think. All right, let me know everything in the comment section. I'll be right there replying you also. And yeah, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. I kid you not. Like, it's amazing. It's really amazing. So thank you so much. And yeah, so lovely, that's it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you liked the final outcome. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. And you already know, if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. All right, thank you, thank you, thank you, and see you in my next tutorial, guys. Bye.
I like them chocolate cocoa puffs. I like them chocolate cocoa.